In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to do OCO order on Tastytrade. Firstly, use the table or curve mode in the Trade tab to select and line up the opening order for asset you want to trade. Once the order is selected and you're ready to place it, move on to the order ticket. At the bottom left corner of the order ticket, click the bracket button to initiate the bracket order process. This will open a new bracket order window. The bracket order window will display three boxes: order entry point, close at profit, and stop loss. After setting the entry profit and stop loss prices, click Review and Send to check all your order details. You will be also to review your profit target and stop loss prices, as well as select the account you wish to route the order through. The buying power effect will also be shown. After submitting the bracket order, the three orders will appear in your Activity tab or Working Orders section. If the opening order does not fill immediately, the closing order, which is profit and stop loss, will remain in queued state until the opening order is executed.